What's up guys, JV Briggs here, welcome to the new video, and in this video we are going to take a look at this new ship of the Guardians of the Galaxy. This set number 76255 comes with 1108 pieces and the price is $104. And here's the look at the minifigures that comes with this set. We have 4 exclusive ones and 1 reused. Here's a look at the Mantis in her Guardian suit. Here's Peter Quill, aka Star-Lord. This is the reused one figure because he's also in the small set with Groot. Next one is daughter of Thanos, Nebula. Now we have here Drax the Destroyer. Even though in the films he's grey, I really like the green more. Let me know what you think in the comments. The last and best minifigure in this set is Adam Warlock himself. Now let's take a look at the build. This ship is from the latest Guardians of the Galaxy movie. We got some play features with this set. For example, you can take this part away from the rest of the build and it will form small ship for your minifigure, so they can fly separately and attack from the sides. You can open the cockpit to fit 2 minifigures inside. On the back we can see this big booster, as well as these 4 smaller ones. We can also find here these holders for katanas that Nebula uses. This set is unique thanks to the shape of the ship and the color scheme that they used. Overall, this set is fantastic. It's a great addition to your Marvel collection and you have some great figures with this set. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. If you enjoy it, make sure that you leave a like, subscribe and comment, and please share with your friends. See you in the next one.